Hello and welcome back. Today, Chic Spaces is at MyHome Mangala, depicting the journey of this beautiful 3 BHK apartment. This apartment has a gorgeous use of wood and grey tones. The guest bedroom is converted into a study, and we have used wicker laminate to make it look very rustic. The dining area has a beautiful wooden false ceiling that is also adorned with mirrors. The whole house tells the tale of subtlety and classiness. Now, I would let you take a tour of this whole house and do let us know about your favorite chic space.